Recently, I've noticed when you get really excited about what you're doing, sometimes I have to remind you a few times to join the rest of the class.
Yeah, like earlier today, when I wanted to keep working on my giraffe poster. But you said that we had to move on.
Right. I was hoping we could talk a little more about what's making it tricky to move on.
I don't know. It's just hard when I'm busy thinking about stuff.
So you've got a lot on your mind, and that makes it hard to concentrate sometimes.
Yeah, I want to do what you say. I do. But,
But there's a lot going on in there.
I mean, like, I'm trying to do good in class, but then I'm so far behind and my dad used to hang out and help me. But, well, he's not around as much, so I end up playing ball with my friends, but everyone goes so hard on 3 and 3s. Then it makes me like, ah! So I guess it's a lot.
Gotcha. So much to think about. Feels like a lot of pressure.
Yeah.